Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, coming to you live from Kenya, Africa, the motherland, the place where Jah reside, the Holy Land. You know what I mean? The south side of Africa. I am here in Kenya family, and you know it's a Saturday morning, and the Masii market at Village Market. We also want to check it out. So I'm here with my other Jamaican brother from Reggae Flavors and One Love Jamaica, and we're just going to show you guys what Village Market looks like. So we have a hotel over Village Market called Tribe. It's a very nice hotel by the name of Tribe. So it's just beside Village Market. Just beside Village Market family. And then you have the Masii market up there. That's where we're going to check on a few things for some traditional thing family. So let's go, you know. But Village Market is the place that you really want to come and hang out and chill out, and you know you can have a good time here family. And I'm just showing you what it's like, you know, working out and checking out at Village Market. So my brother from Reggae Flavors, I have a channel called
One Love Africa.
One Love Africa.
Make sure you like and subscribe and tune in and give us support, because in Africa we try to showcase what's going on here, the love, the unity, and everything that's going on good for everyone like us and for many more people. So subscribe. Number one, Love Africa. Like, comment, and share the page. It's brand new and we need the support.
Yeah family, so check in and tap in, jump in, like, share, subscribe. The Jam Tours Africa family there, and we're gonna check out the Masii market, see where we can find antique, traditional, you know, for people in diaspora. They want to open their business and they want to actually sell these stuff here. You know, we want to showcase them so you can see what you can actually add to your business to make some money, so you can come back and invest in Africa family. So you know what I mean, let's go. Village Market is the market. Let's go. Yeah family, so as you guys know, we're upstairs, and the Masii market, I think it's here every Friday. Oh, today is Friday, not Saturday family, sorry. So every Friday it's here, and every Saturday and Sunday it's in town.
You know the place though.
Oh, we're gonna walk up here so. Oh, you never come up here so yet? The first time I come up here so, but I always see it.
Yeah.
Yeah family, so Masii market every Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Village Market, rooftop.
So I left on the number and I carry it.
Oh, which number was that?
The number for the people, for the lady or the something.
We have the stick then?
Yeah.
Well, we just check and see. We just check and see what going on right now, if you see. The showcase. Yeah family, so we have KFC. Seems like they have an entrance on this side. They have Kentucky Fried Chicken, Kingston Fried Chicken.
Kingston, Kenya Fried Chicken.
Yeah family, so they have a KFC place also. You know what I mean? But the Masii market, first time I forward in, and I go see what it like. So, you know, with that thing, so we have to go town. So if you don't want to go in town with the traffic hustle and bustle, you come here so every Friday, and you can see what I go on family. So, you know, let's go. You find all the foreigners them come in to get all of the. Why you have a parking up here, so we never know. Yeah family, so you have a parking.
You park so far.
And we park so far. Yeah family, so we're there at the Masii market, Village Market. And as you know guys, art is now like a gem right now. So let's go. They seem like them just are open. Oh, this man right there maybe have some stick. Let me see this stick. Mambo.
Jumbo.
I'm looking for walking stick.
I have this kind.
Oh, this guy. Oh. Look at it. Take the picture of this one. How many feet is this one?
This is 5 feet. Just for 5 feet.
Yeah, so maybe this is the one she may be looking for.
Yeah, that's 5 feet.
5 feet. I take a picture of this one.
Is it close to 5 feet? That's 6.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, family. So, all right. So let me check around and come back. You don't have the one with tall like this with the handle.
But the logo like this.
Oh, it won't long like that. Short, it'll be short. Okay, all right. I think maybe this is the one she want because if she said she want 5 feet, then maybe it's this one.
Because with the hand they are very short.
Oh, they're very short, yeah. And I show her that one and said she never want that one. All right, family. So, let's go through the market and see where them are. Yeah, guys, as you can see. Hello. Bracelets. Look at that. Is it? Where buy that ringer? The ring we have for you. You don't have it today? Oh, thank you. Oh, Prestige Mall. Yeah. Oh, them have any here?
No, I'm not buying. I don't want anything.
No, we just like shopping and looking.
At least,
Open your day.
yeah, to open my day, something small.
Yeah, I was looking for the African ring, but you don't have it here.
Here. Does it fit?
Okay, Ricardo. In the meantime,
Want video around?
video the thing. Yeah, try more get on them ring and come see how we did.
Or Africa ring? Copper is good,
You might good to have copper.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Copper is a good conduct to have around you.
Yeah,
Good for
for
your
energy.
energy.
And good for your arm, yo.
Not today, I really want the ring. Let me see that shirt, Kenyan shirt.
Copper is good for energy
Long sleeve one.
and good for joint pain.
I like this one, but long sleeve. How much for this one? How much?
That's too big for you.
That's too big for me, but I really want the long sleeve one.
The sweater, you want the sweater?
No, the sweater, I want the long sleeve one. That's the one I'm looking for. You have that one?
These are nice, though. Hello.
Oh, these things are nice, man.
See what you have here.
This is a nice jewelry. Yo, maybe you want one of this for your neck. You're nice, you know, man. Angola. You know the artisan is a yeah. Jabooks. So this one.
That's my neck in the video.
Yeah, man. One big one. These are African jewelry. Nice. I'm just recording to see around here to showcase people about Masii market. You mind if I video? Can I ask you a question? You mind if I record you ask you a question? Shy? That's why you sell your business, you know?
You can sell a business on YouTube and make
You sell a business on YouTube and when people come here, they look for you. If you just ask me, oh, over the stuff. No, speak over the stuff.
Let me see over this.
Flag?
Not today, we're just looking today. We're just looking.
He's looking, I'm videoing. You look for something, my video one. Masii market.
Have the knife, the skills, and the walking stick.
6 feet.
Masii knives.
It's the biggest one.
Sure.
This one go for 8,000.
That's the best price.
You want to give me how much?
5,000.
Can you make 7?
How much is it? 8,000?
Yeah.
Come on.
All right, let me.
Sorry. Huh? Oh, sorry. No, I'm not. I'm just with him. I'm just recording to showcase what Masii Market is like, so other people that's watching the channel, they can come out and support. So the more people see your business, they'll say, oh, I want one of that. Where is this place? It's easy. Oh, oh, Amy. I see you have bags and stuff like that. I'm actually with him. I'm not buying. Yeah. He's looking for Masii sticks. He want Masii sticks, yeah. Must let me showcase the business for you so you can get more customers. A video so I can show people so they can come and buy from you. Yes.
Hi, madam.
Alright, let me call you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Connect.
Freedom.
Frida.
Yes.
Okay, you're on the camera now? It's Frida. So whenever anyone come to Masii Market, they should look for Frida.
Freedom.
What do you sell?
I'm selling designs.
This is Frida items. Caribou welcome. Hakuna Matata. Yeah. Bags. Handmade by Frida. Selling all of our stuff. All natural stuff. Support black. Support Kenya.
Support Frida.
Support Frida.
What is what?
Support mean support. Yes. Okay, Frida. Bye bye.
Who else? Who else you love?
Huh? Asava Yeah. You know what's up? What's your name? Vincent?
Yeah.
Alright, Vincent. Nice to meet you. From Kenya?
Yeah.
Which part in Kenya?
Nyanza, Kisii.
Kisii? Alright then. This is your place.
This is my place.
You're selling these stuff. This is Vincent stuff. Whenever you come to Masii Market,
Masii Market.
look for Vincent.
Yes, look for Vincent.
Yeah.
Karibu Kenya, Jambo Kenya, hakuna matata.
Hakuna Matata. I like that. Caribou Kenya. Caribou Tena to Kenya.
Kenya,
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Alright then, Vincent. Glad they keep up with the Jamaican culture. So this is Vincent. Support. See his face? This is him. So when they come to Masii Market, look for Vincent. Yeah, man. You have everything. What you don't have, he will get it for you. Yeah. Alright then, Vincent. Peace.
Big and busy, man.
Black doll. So people that want black doll can get black doll right here. Yeah, African doll is right here.
African what?
Doll. Yeah, right here. Real deal. Support. Jambo Kenya. Support mama. Yeah, I'm with him. So
Yes,
I'm just doing the video in.
Excuse, support the mama here. This is Jambo Kenya.
Well, I'm looking for like sticks.
Masii sticks. What's that?
This one here.
Africa now.
What's this?
We normally open in Kenya like this.
Tall one.
Okay. Is that an ashtray?
You can use as an ashtray and you close it.
How do you close it?
You close like this. Then you put Kenya like this.
Oh, you put Kenya. Oh, this is so fancy. This is very nice. You see that African ashtray?
Even the big one is here.
You take out Kenya, because we're in Kenya.
Then
So you take out Kenya.
If you smoke, you finish.
It's a map of Africa itself.
Yes,
Oh,
like this. Promote.
yes, promote it for you. You see, people? What's your name?
I'm Anne.
Anne.
Yes.
Anna?
Anna.
Anna.
Yes.
Okay, so when you come here, you look for Mama Anna from Kenya. She have the real deal. Let me see, she have an ashtray, African ashtray. We're going to get some from Mama Anna so we can sell back to our people. You understand? You just pull out Kenya right here and you open your ashtray. Because we're in Kenya. So if you're from a different country like Tanzania or Rwanda, we can put your pull out button somewhere else. Nice.
And this one is table mat. We use glasses when we drink. When we drink a cup of
It's very heavy. It's nice.
there is 6 animals inside.
Okay.
This is a rhino,
Zebra.
elephant,
Yes.
cheetah,
Yes.
Simba, lion,
Yes. Lion, Simba.
and big giraffe.
Oh, big giraffe. I like that. Mama Anna. Okay, Mama Anna, I'll get them to come right here to you. I'll post this video today so people can come and support. And this is going to go on YouTube, international.
You are very
International. So a lot of thousands of people will see this. And they come here for these stuff. And I never see these one before. This one I never saw before until now.
But if you don't mind, you can promote me with more money.
I know. Everyone, if I promote everyone with money, I'm not going to have no money. So I'll try to promote it other ways. Yeah.
All right,
You
Ricardo,
fine?
let's go.
Let's go. All right, Mama Anna. Thank you.
All right, Ricardo, we can. So we have some stick over there, so.
Yeah, we can't stay too long, you know. Remember some work to do. I have to say, I want to go mark again. Sante. Hello. No, I see other shirt. Looking for Masii sticks.
Can you look Maute? Come on, look
Maute?
Maute.
No, looking for Masii sticks.
I have.
Show me. Where? Yo, Ramesh. Masii sticks.
I have all the graph.
Big style. 5 foot. 5 foot is like 5 feet.
6. Oh, the driver. Oh, this side. Can you bring the one in the walking stick? Please.
Masii sticks.
Are you from Nigeria?
I don't know. I don't know how you want. I'm not buying nothing.
Oh, Tina.
Easy one.
Are you reggae master?
Yeah, man, reggae man.
Can you go back a little bit? Yes.
Bill Bob Marley vibe.
Yeah. One heart.
Yeah.
Let's get together and feel alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing.
That's what in July.
That one, what's that?
You have a special one.
What's what?
This is Lungu, Masai Lungu.
Masii Rugu?
Kangelwa.
Oh, this one is nice. Look at this one, Ricardo. Rungo them.
The lion up.
The lion with Simba.
And this,
Professor Not said.
and this
Rungo. Yeah, Rungo.
the man.
This is what?
It's nice, man. It's a nick. And I have two.
So
One for your friend,
this
one for you.
What do you use this to do? Beat people with?
The same to use it, that Lungu.
Since someone violates you, you use and beat them for weapon.
No,
What's for it?
commandments.
Oh,
Yeah,
like this. Okay.
protection.
For protection. Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying. For protection, yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, not for fighting.
But if it's for protection, it is for fighting.
Not for fighting.
So if someone broke into your house, what will you do?
Yeah, we need him, please. When we are talking to your people.
No, alright. If someone, what? This is for protection,
No, command.
for commandment. In your house,
Yeah. In the village.
in the village. Oh, Masii village.
For the elders.
Okay. Huh? Too slack. You want something smaller? No, he's buying, not me.
Show you.
You want a Rugo?
Too big. I have one already.
Oh, you have one already.
Have you tried
I want a
it?
mad still.
You want one mad for real?
Oh, that one.
Silence!
Yeah.
When you have 12 wives
Yeah, you say
and they're fighting,
no.
silent!
Your wife here.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Be quiet. Oh, so I should get
Don't
one then. I should get one.
Oh, that's what she said.
So,
Yeah. Not capture the thing, dog.
I capture everything, man. Everything you capture, you talk, say.
Let me see what I got.
This one then.
Yeah, it's down there.
Here. I should get myself a wife and then After I get my wife,
Too big, you don't have a smaller one.
I get, yeah. So whenever I argue in the house with me and family, put up. If they don't show respect, I just move.
But you have girlfriend.
Exactly.
I have no one.
It was made for you.
I'm single.
You are single.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah, man, this one look bad, man. Meaning it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I want to set for you, you know? Yeah, man, it's set.
Nice English, man.
Nice English.
Yeah, nice English. No understanding, man. No understanding, man.
No understand.
Yeah, no understanding, man.
You still understand, man. You still understand.
No. Oh, no, I don't want to play it, man.
So this is African jewelry.
Yeah, choose some. Maybe
See
for
what's
your
going on.
sisters, for your girlfriends, for your wives.
Me, wives.
Which one?
We can't have wives. We have to have one wife, and I don't have anyone.
Choose, go through.
Yeah.
Different size.
Yeah.
Culture of Africa. Nice. Of more than one, more than a dozen African jewelry. These are nice, Kenya. Painting. So many jewelry representing. See it? African jewelry. We don't fight for jewelry, we don't fight for vanity. Peace and love. We show our brothers and sisters. Everything is shareable.
When are you taking them?
I'll let you know by next week.
So you just walk up.
Everything is shared.
What's up?
Look at this one. This one. Yeah, look at this one, Ramesh. This one is nice. How much for this?
That one I'll give you for 1,800.
1800.
Yeah, only.
Oh, it's nice.
Let me see.
It's wrap. I like this.
Make it.
I like this.
Okay, 12, man.
You can give it to your
12, man.
wife or your sister or any empress that's coming in Africa can get something like this. I'm gonna buy someone on the YouTube channel. I'm gonna buy some of these and give to my subscribers.
They are different.
One Love Africa. I'm going to give some of my subscribers some nice jewelry like this.
I'll send you to the
Something for the males, something for the females.
and people for 75.
Oh, sorry. Person? Okay.
When you walk up, you
So you don't like them.
are going to contact me, then you say,
What I want to know is, each item have a meaning, but there's so much to say.
where you are. Even if you are in a,
What does that mean?
provided you are not outside,
That one right there.
delivery is free.
Yeah. Come on. Yes. Huh? Oh, no meaning. The masks have meaning for sure.
So I'll bring.
Those have meaning.
Provided you walk out like that,
Okay.
how many you are taking.
So what does these thing mean?
That's
Fertility? Dolls. Huh? Papa and Mama. Oh, Africa, Papa and Mama. These are families. So this mask, what does it mean?
What have you said about the necklace?
I'm coming. This mask, yeah. What does this mask mean? Mama who? Mama. Oh, so they used to wear masks. Freedom fighter. Never shave the ear. Oh,
Like our
yeah.
Jamaican Rasta, we don't share.
So we are Rasta. So this is normal their face and the ear. This is normal their face and this week represent their hair. Relax. Rasta culture. Yeah, man. And this mask. Good harvest. Really? Appreciation. This mask. Because I know that each of these master items means something. Powerful meaning behind it. People just see it like nothing. But when you have the knowledge, you understand more and you appreciate more. So if you can have something to display the meaning to people, you get more people to buy. Because I like the meaning of this. The Momo freedom fighter.
These ones are the European.
This one?
Yeah.
But that's a black European.
We remember them.
No, we don't need to remember.
Okay. We should.
Yeah, we should, yes, we should remember them because
You get the history.
history, yes. Yeah. They fight for us?
They did something.
Really?
History, yeah. At least we need to remember
We
this.
have these for many eyes.
Oh, the black European did something for us.
This many eyes.
Many eyes. Yes. Meaning?
When you have an issue in your family,
Yeah.
come to
Oh,
then it's like a solution. That is one head, many eyes.
one head, many eyes. Really?
You get a solution from the
Okay. You see, my people? Jam Tour Africa people. These women with wisdom. And she's telling us so much stuff about the masks, the meaning, and everything behind it, the history behind. So it's good if you guys come and you're buying something. If you see something you don't understand, all you have to do is ask. What's your name?
I'm Christine.
Christine. Okay, Mama Christine. See? African queen. Yes, she's a queen. So she's teaching us about the mask and all these antique, Asian antique stuff, yeah.
The British them come and loot these things.
Yes, the British come and take.
Loot it.
They take what they can take and put in their museum.
Yeah.
So,
But now the museum is here. You can see them.
yes. Let's go. Ready? Okay, look at this.
Well, the necklace, man. Oh, I'll be waiting, bro.
You can see some Masii holding that stick here.
Oh, nice.
Can we go to the
Let's go around and go around, Ricardo.
Anyway,
Let's go. Power. Oh, yeah. Jersey. I'll have to come back. Side. Sister. The youngest veteran are gonna murder them slow. Ragamuffin. Some boy should have think them bad like.
For the
How much you say? He said, yeah, I talk to him and tell him they want to give me $5 grand for everything. Depends on the item she want. Yeah, family, so we finished with the Masii market. I hope you enjoyed this short vlog. We actually was in a hurry because you know it's a Friday, it's the money day, so we have to out. So we just out looking something to show us to some client, and then we'll be out, family. So like, share and comment on the video. Let me know your thought about the Masii market at Village Market. We have this slogan.
like, subscribe and share. And remember, go and check out my YouTube channel, One Love Africa.
Yeah, we're there and we are showing you say Africa is a place where you can live, work and play and grow your family.
Peace and love for everyone.
Yeah, we are out. One love. God bless.